Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel BioActives. Today I am going to share some useful tips by which you could score 100% marks in biology. Biology is a subject that requires more attention and proper schedule as it contains various terms, diagrams, concepts that students find a little difficult to find. But I am sure after this video you will find it really easier to learn and prepare for your upcoming examination and any other competitive exam. So without further ado, let's get started. Tip number 1. Know the exam pattern and marking scheme. This is really important. Understanding the syllabus and exam pattern will give you an idea of how the question paper will be designed. This will help you to get familiar with the question paper where you can avoid confusion and fear during the main exam. This will help you to somewhat predict the type of question that might occur in the exam. So having a sound knowledge of the syllabus should be your first and foremost step before starting your exam preparation. This will help you to plan efficiently and save time and gets you familiar with the exam paper. We also have provided exam pattern and marking scheme links in the description box, so you do check them. Tip number 2. Practice diagrams. Diagrams are the first aspect that a student should consider in biology. In this subject, the students should give extra time to practice diagrams with their specific labelings to ensure high marks. There are many questions which involve diagrams in the examination. So try to provide diagrams in your answers in the examination even if it is not asked. It gives a positive impact to the examiner and increases your chance to score more. And it also helped you to understand the concept better. Tip number 3. Write and understand complex terms. In biology, there are complex terms and definitions that should be given importance. There are many questions in the exam that require definitions and terms. By doing regular revision, they could be memorized. You can make flashcards and a separate notebook which could involve all the important terms and definitions. It is always good to write and understand those terms to get acquainted with them. Tip number 4. Practice exercise questions. As you know, practice makes a man perfect. So after revising chapter, you can solve exercise questions that are given at the back of the chapter. Practicing questions will give you a command over the chapters and will help you to fetch more marks in exams. Personally, I would recommend Lakneer Singh for class 9th and 10th and Pradeep's publication for class 11th and 12th for more practice. These books are really helpful and will guide you throughout your academic year. Tip number 5. Perform all the experiments actively. Experiments play a vital role in this subject. There are many topics that are mainly depend on practicals and experiments. So participate actively in the experiments, especially the students of class 11th and 12th. As in these classes, most of the chapters are based on them. So make sure to pay attention more in lab sessions and perform all the experiments actively. This will get you a close understanding on each topic. We also have provided the list of important practicals and experiments of class 9 to 12. You can check them below. And I know, due to this COVID situation, some of you will find it difficult to perform experiments. We'll soon release some videos on that topic to help you out. Tip number 6. Practice different previous year question papers and CBSE sample papers. When you have completed and revised all your syllabus, it's time to make your revision to the next level. Practicing different previous year question papers and sample papers will help you to know exactly what the type of questions are asked in the examination. It will help you to practice well and manage time efficiently. It will help you to form writing habits and skills that are necessary to crack the exam. Personally, I would suggest to solve question paper with proper examination time limit so that you will be able to understand exactly how much time you should give to a particular question or a section. Tip number 7. The last but not the least, making notes. Note making is a very important step in your studies, especially for the subjects like biology. It will help you to memorize topics, important definitions and terms for the exam. Just to make sure that you are not the copy-paste version of your textbook. They should be brief and understandable. If you want to get 100% marks, consider this really important. And after that, I'm sure that from all of these tips, you will be able to crack this year's examination. Just a small suggestion: keep your revision at a regular basis. Stay confident, stay safe, and protect your family and loved ones from the pandemic. If you like this video, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you next time. Thank you.